Hey, happy holidays, world. Coming back with you again on this day, 12/24/2023, on Christmas Day, pre-recorded video about Accelerated International. If you don't have an open mind to be a creator, what are you on social media for? Yes, non-business owner, why are you on social media? If you are interacting with other people, why are you on social media? You can live your best life without you being on social media. If you are not looking for extra cash, brought to you by all my businesses I'm promoting. Accelerate International, $20 business. Live Good, $50 business. CBSU, $50 business. 25K Madness, $25 to get started. My Rest Club, $20 to get in. So forth and so on. I don't understand. Why are we on social media if you ain't interacting with others? Again, you can live your life without you being on social media. You don't have to be nosy because everybody living their best life. They doing what they're supposed to be doing, minding their business. If you are looking for extra money, extra change, that we know that we need extra in your household, join some businesses. Join it. I got my cashforpage.com as well to get you some landing page for this Accelerated International. And go from there. I'm not here begging nobody. I'm doing me. I'm proud of what I'm doing, what I created over the years. Again, I can't stop what I like to do. It's called self-respect, self-understanding, understanding myself, willing to learn new things as I go in them quarters. Again, nobody don't owe us nothing but yourself. Again, you spend money every day to get your essential stuff you need for your house. Ain't nothing free. There is nothing free in this world. Everything has cost money to obtain your things and your items you need for your household, for what you want to do and where you want to drive. Bills, it costs money. Your mortgage, it costs money. Light bill, it costs money. Gas bill, it costs money. Your garbage, to get your garbage out your house, it costs money because you got to pay your garbage bill every month. Yes, non-like-minded non-business owner out there. I mean, it's a must. It's not given. You know that I know we need extra. The New Year's just here. The New Year's here. Got one more week to the New Year. What is non-business owners' resolution out there? What is your New Year resolution? Every year I speak the same thing. What is your New Year resolution? Do you want to stay stagnant? Do you want to stay what you've been doing 10 years ago? Or do you want to change some things about your financial blessings? That is the big question to the non-business owner out there. What are you doing on social media if you're not interacting with other like-minded business owners out there that is doing the same thing what I'm doing? We all know each other now on Facebook. We try to grow and build a family together on social media. It's free to build a family on social media. We are looking for like-minded folks out there who think just like us, who want to build a team, who want to build this financial freedom for their situation without having no problem with no money issues. Yes, non-business owners out there, we are looking to build a whole family, a whole nation, a whole village. It takes everybody on social media to do what it need to be done. Come together as one. If everybody come together, we will be stronger than ever. We are supporting each other. We're not taking from each other. I'm talking to the non-business owner out there. Still comment, still liking, saying I like this, I like what you're doing. Join it. If you see it, join it. It don't cost you a lot of money. You already pay your bills anyway. We'll never be zero balance in our rest of our life to the day we're still alive today. You know, when we pay bills, you will never be zero balance by you paying bills. So what is the problem paying $20 to keep your bills paid for the month? What is the problem getting extra in your household? That is the big question. Non-skeptical, non-business owner out there, you know that I know you have $20 in your pocket. Anybody can get $20. Anybody can get $100. Anybody can get $200. You have a special stash out there to join any businesses. Why are you holding the special stash for your bill every month? You know that I know you need extra. I need extra. You need extra. Everybody in the whole world need extra. It takes the whole village to come together. Xcelerated International. It's a global wide business. $20 business. Cheap to get in. It don't cost you $200. It don't cost you $300. It don't cost you $400. You can convert $20 into $400 weekly payments on your behalf. It depends how you promote. You can turn $20 into $400. You can turn $20 into $500 a week by this company called Xcelerate International and live good as well. You can do this job, but you are running not to do this job, making excuses after excuses. I don't know. It's a pyramid scheme. I don't want to pay my $20. I'm not willing to find anybody. You don't have to find anybody. All you do is make videos and put images out there like I'm doing. Follow the leader, Mr. Booker. Yes, follow the leader, Mr. Booker. You will get your signups. It's called Not to Give Up. People will tell you yes, people will tell you no, but still, subject line, not to give up. You're not giving up on your bills. You're not giving up on your car notes. You're not giving up on your Chanel purse, on your Louis Vuitton purse, or your lace front wigs, or your makeups. Whatever we do every day, you're not giving up to look beautiful, to look handsome, to buy that expensive clothing that you want to be with the Joneses. You spend money in other ways, but you don't want to grow. You don't want to build on your own financial freedom business. That is backwards to me. Non-business owner out there. That is a backwards situation. You can buy everything else, but you running not to build your own financial freedom business. Yeah, I'm being harsh. You know I'm telling the truth. Again, Google everything I just said. Google will tell you the same thing. It's okay to build your business by yourself. At least you're building a foundation for your financial freedom. You building your business for everybody else is building businesses for their financial gain to their financial freedom. Corporations building businesses to get financial into the business to pay all their employees. That's why they are applying for their LLC for their business account to able to hire people to run their businesses while they're owners to do everything else that they know the employees going to take care of the company, keep bringing money into my businesses, and everybody's happy. Why work for someone that don't care about you? Why work for someone to be selfish about you? Why work for someone that don't want to help you, bless you, and help you move forward in the world? Why help somebody like that? That's selfish reason. That's a selfish person. You help them out, but they don't want to help you. Where they do that at? Again, this is Xcelerate International. I just built this image today. This thumbnail, in my own image, I just built it because I tried to put things together to make everybody understand that it's okay to open your own business or be your own financial freedom. Get your own financial gain. We know we need extra. We know we need extra. So again, if you see my link out there, just save your spot or spend your $20 and you good to go. Follow the leader. Do what I do. Make videos, postcards, flyers, and so forth and so on. You will get your sign-ups. It won't be easy. I understand. But you can get sign-ups. All right, I'll come back with you again with another video. Thanks.